Hello students, today we are going to read chapter 3 of Reader. The name of the chapter is Gopal and the Hills of Fish. Gopal was a very intelligent person. Now we will see in the story. Now this story is a comic story. As we all have read comics, सबने comics तो पढ़ी ही होंगी. So this is also a comic story. What is the meaning of a comic story? A comic story is a story which contains many pictures with dialogues. So today we will read the chapter Gopal and the Hills of Fish. Now, what is the method of reading a comic story? The method is we will go according to the scene and we will read the dialogues. Okay, we will start. First scene. It was the season for Hills of Fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hills of Fish. Now this was a town where there was a big river and there was famous Hills of Fish was there, and all over the town they were selling only Hills of Fish. Now this is the season of this is summer season and we all are eating what? Which fruit we are eating? Yes, mangoes. So all type of mangoes, quality, variety of mangoes we are eating. So accordingly this was also the season of Hills of Fish for the fishermen. Fishermongers, they were selling nothing but Hills of Fish. Come by, the price of Hilsa is down today. What they were saying? They were selling Hills of Fish. They were saying that the price of the Hills of Fish is very down. You can come and take it. Householders, they could talk of nothing but Hills of Fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? You would not believe it if I told you. Now, Hills of Fish was all over, so it was now cheap. The price of it was cheap. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hills of Fish. Or courtiers, जो दरबारी थे, they were also talking about Hills of Fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught it was. The courtiers, they were also talking about the Hills of Fish. Now you can see that all over the town, all over the city, there was only the talk of Hills of Fish. But the king was very much fed up of this talk. Now what happened? He said, "Stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? Why you all are talking like a fisherman? This is the season of Hills of Fish, but why you courtiers are talking about it?" The king was scolding them. The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. Courtiers ने अपनी eyes को नीचे कर लिया, and the king felt guilty. But now the king felt guilty. He was thinking, I'm so sorry. I lost my temper. It is a season for Hills of Fish, and no one, not even Gopal, can stop anyone from talking about Hills of Fish. Not even for 5 minutes. So the king was saying that I am fed up of this talking. I am fed up of, as everyone is talking about Hills of Fish, everyone is selling Hills of Fish, everyone is buying Hills of Fish, and this Gopal, he also cannot stop anyone for 5 minutes to talk about this Hills of Fish. What he was doing? एक तरीके से वो क्या कर रहे थे? वो गोपाल को चैलेंज दे रहे थे. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. But Gopal said, yes, I can stop everyone to talk about Hills of Fish for 5 minutes. Now the king said, then let me see you buy a huge Hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. So do one thing, Gopal. You go to the market, buy a huge fish, Hills of Fish, and bring it to my palace. But see, it is your challenge that nobody should talk about it. Now Gopal said, "Okay, my majesty, I accept this challenge." A few days later, now what he did, he planned, and after some few days, he did something very unbelievable. Now his wife said, "Why your face is half shaven?" "I'm dressing up to buy a fish." Gopal said, "Arey wait, I'm going to buy a fish." But his wife said, "Why your face is half shaven?" ये तुम्हारी दाढ़ी आधी क्यों बनी हुई है? आधी तो नहीं बनी हुई है. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? First thing what he did, he shaved his face half. उसने अपनी आधी दाढ़ी बनाई. Second thing what he did, he smeared ash. Smear मतलब he put ash. Ash means राख. पूरे मुंह पर उसने अपने क्या लगा ली? राख. I told you I'm dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. Disgraceful means which were not looking nice, and rags, clothes. Now Gopal wear all the torn clothes. They were looking very dirty. They were torn all over. He was wearing not proper clothes. How many times I must tell you, woman, I'm going to buy a huge Hilsa fish. It's happening to him. He's gone mad. Now, what his wife said, I think he has gone mad. मुझे लग रहा है कि क्या हो गया है? Gopal is gone mad. Now Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Now what Gopal did? He took a huge Hilsa fish and he started to walk towards the palace. All persons, all children, all the people, they were talking about Gopal. Mother, look at this man. Is not he comical? They all were talking about his clothes, his face, ash. Men said, "He must be a madman. Hush, I think he is a mystic." They all were talking about only of his clothes, of his smeared face and his half-shaven face. Now, nobody talked about Hilsa fish. किसी ने भी हिल्सा फिश के बारे में बात नहीं करी. क्यों? They all were busy in seeing Gopal. When Gopal reached the court, "What do you want?" "I want to see the king." Gopal said, "I want to see the king." But they said that you can't see the king. Go away from here. You are looking like a madman. But what Gopal did? They were not allowing him to enter inside the palace. Now Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Gopal started to dance and sing loudly and loudly. Inside the palace, king said, "Who is this man?" Now he was hearing some voices coming from outside. "The man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in." Now king asked, "Who is this man? Call him to me." They said, "Okay, Majesty, we are calling him." Gopal was brought before the king. Now all the courtiers said, "Arey, it's Gopal. The man has lost his mind." क्या हो गया इसे गोपाल को? इसने ऐसे अजीब से कपड़े पहने हैं. His face is half shaven, smeared face he is having. All were saying that he has gone mad. "All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? The king said, "Why you are wearing this type of clothes? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something." He said, Gopal said that, King, you have forgotten something. King said, I'm not forgetting anything. Gopal now showed his Hilsa fish. He said, strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. Majesty, no one was interested in this Hilsa fish today. And from market to the palace, no one in the market, in the court, and nobody was talking about a word about Hilsa fish. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Now he remembered the challenge. Oh, ha ha! Well, Gopal, congratulations! You have achieved the impossible once again. So, the king praised the Gopal and said, yes, you have achieved your goal. You have accepted my challenge. You had accepted my challenge, and now you fulfilled it. So, you are a great person. You are very intelligent. And then the king rewarded Gopal. Thank you and have a very nice day.